Movavi Photo Editor is a straightforward and accessible image editing tool that caters to users who need quick and effective retouching without the complexity of professional software. It features AI-powered enhancements, background removal, object removal, and a range of filters and effects to improve images effortlessly. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it suitable for beginners who want to edit photos without a steep learning curve. While it offers many useful tools, it lacks the advanced layering and detailed editing functions found in Photoshop, making it better suited for casual users rather than professionals. Additionally, the free version includes watermarks, which can be inconvenient for those unwilling to purchase the full version.